everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Welcome to the 16th video of Java 19 series. In this video, I am going to start with the concepts of control statements. We have already discussed the basic concepts of Java and the basic input-output programs in the previous few videos. I hope you have watched them. In case you have still not watched, so please watch it and come back to this one, because this playlist is interconnected, so each and every video is important here. So let's start with the concepts of control statements. I'm just zooming in here and I'm just going to talk about the control statements. When we talk about control statements are simply to control the program, to control the flow of the program. And there are three different types of control statements present in Java. First one is selective statements. Then we have iterative statements. I will explain them one by one very nicely, so stay tuned till the end. Jumping statements. There are three types of control statements. When we talk about selective statements, there are two types of selective statements present in Java. First one is the if-else, and another one is the switch case. When we talk about if-else, there are four types of if-else present here. First is if, then if-else, then if-else if, that is also known as nested if-else. Then we have if-else ladder. So these are the four different types of if-else. Then the switch case is another type of selective statement. Then we have iterative statements. Iterative statement means where you are going to repeat the condition, where the repetition is going to be taken care. So when one formula you are going to repeat again and again, so that time we go for the concept of looping. So iterative statements are basically the looping construct. And here are three types of loops present: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So these are the three different types of loops which we are having. Jumping statements are many. So like return, break, continue, exit. There are many jumping statements, etc. So jumping statements are used to move between the program from one place to another, to break the flow of control or something. So there are different types of control statement present, which is written in front of you on the screen. So in this video, I will be starting with the selective statement, and I will be talking about, first of all, the if-else. So if-else is, like, as I said, four types of if-else. So firstly, it comes the if, when you are having one condition to deal with, or you do not want to print any other value. If-else is when you are dealing with two different values, suppose larger between two numbers, A is larger or B is larger, that way. Then if-else if, when you are having more than two conditions, maybe three conditions, and you do not want to use the logical operators. In that case, you can go with the if-else if, that is the nested if-else. That means you are going to nest the conditions one inside the another. And when you are having the conditions more than 3, 4 conditions, 5 conditions, 10 conditions, so you can go with the if-else ladder. If-else ladder is actually having the capability to handle multiple conditions without using the braces even. Switch case is another way of selective statements. So we will be discussing all in detail with multiple programs in this series. This video I am ending here only. In the next video, I will be starting with the program related to if-else and so on. So I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any query, you are free to put your query in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.